Medina and at a very special place. This is newly inaugurated. It's called Al-Oussia Sanctuary or Mahmiya Al-Ousiyah. This is a historic date palm farm, and I will give you the history of this farm also. And they have made a very different thing here, and they have a bird sanctuary, and they have kept a lot of birds there. So let's check it out. It's fun for kids. So now we are entering the farm. Oh. السلام عليكم. تبغى توكلنا؟ To buy the ticket. So 25 riyal for each person more than 2 years of age. Oh wow. Kids are already happy. Oh, there are ducks. Yeah, quack quack. Right? Yeah, quack quack. Ducks.
Come on. Yellow.
Yeah, let's go in.
Long.
No, Bismillah. Come on. Wow, there are small birds. See? Oh, the birds are here. See? Finches. Come on, Zainab, close the door. Slowly. Wow, this is nice. Oh, look at that.
That's a big parrot.
Yeah, there are parrots. A lot of parrots. So the atmosphere is good here because they are spraying the water from the roof, so you don't feel hot. Wow! Look at her! MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Yeah, see, there is a bird in the nest. Small bird. You want? Yeah, why not? Mariam! Look at him! Oh, there's a parrot on my hand. Hina, how are you, buddy? Hey, fine. So this is the joy of this bird, because if you keep some food in your hand, the birds will come and eat it. MashaAllah. Great, this is a great feeling. This is wonderful. The kid. This beautiful bird sanctuary has been built inside a historical farm that is called Al-Ousiyah farm. Yes, this farm belongs to a very prominent Sahabi Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, yani companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His name was Hilal bin Umayyah al-Waqifi Ossi. That's why the farm name is Ossi. So, and this farm is just located in front of Masjid al-Quba, and there is a well also that is famous as a Bir al-Ousiyah, and it is told that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he used the water of that well. So it's a really historical place, and it's really near from Masjid al-Quba. So whenever you come here, you may visit here and you will enjoy.
لما نسمع اسم النبي لازم نصلي عليه اللهم صل عليه لما تيجي سيرة النبي نبدأها بالصلاة عليه اللهم صل عليه اسم النبي اللي دعا علينا وادعوا في الجنة يصلي بينا صلوا عليه الخير يجينا اللهم صل عليه صلوا على اللي هيشفع فينا لما بنصلي على نبينا بيصلي بيها الله علينا اللهم صل لما نسمع اسم النبي لازم نصلي عليه اللهم صل عليه
As you can see, there are several spray points that are showering the water from the top, and that really makes the atmosphere inside the sanctuary really pleasant, even if there is really hot outside. And there is an arrangement of artificial rain inside also. It rains with a thunderstorm. There is a majlis also inside. Very nice, dip with the culture. Beautiful majlis, and the atmosphere here is cool due to the coolers they have put, and the view from the majlis is really nice. Actually, it's the coffee and tea setup. See, this is the view from the majlis. Great. So each cup is a 5 real. That's quite reasonable in this place. So let's enjoy the ice cream in the hot weather. So my viewers, hope you have enjoyed this wonderful place. This is really, really nice to bring up your kids here for fun and having tea in the evening. The weather is really nice here. So when you come to Madina, this is really, really near to Al Quba Masjid, in front of Quba Masjid. Then just come over here and have a nice time. Okay, see you in the next vlog. Take care. I hope you would definitely like to come at this place with the kids and have some incredible memories here and experiences too. The best time to visit this place is afternoon on the morning time, as evening it will be crowded and all the birds will be full stomach, so they won't eat from your hand. So better to come in the morning or afternoon. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos to come. See you in the next vlog.